part 3 of my Dollar Tree projects of today. I found this frame this morning at the Dollar Tree store for $1.25, and I immediately thought about those leaves that I tried them off for months ago. I think it will be perfect for this frame. Look at this. If you want to know how I make these leaves, look for the album called How To. Back then, I did post some videos how I make them. Let's install it in. These clips a little hard for the leaves, so I have to be really careful. Now the second one. That's so cute.